Hello and welcome to the second part of the HTML tutorial for absolute beginners. Today we will see how we could create the first web page using an HTML. At the very beginning we studied that what is HTML, why we use it, and which editors we can use for using HTML and creating web pages. Now we can use a notepad or Note++. I want to open a notepad. Just write notepad or enter. This is the editor where we can write the HTML code and we can create our web pages here using different languages like HTML, XML. So now we how to instruct that which language we are using here. We are using HTML, we are using XML. So with the help of doc type we will instruct the browser that which language this is. So let us write the doc type HTML. It means we instruct or tell the browser what type of the language this is, what type of the file this is. This is HTML file, this is XML file. With the help of doc type we tell the browser that this is the HTML type file. So by the declaration of the doc type, or with the declaration of the doc type, we tell to the browser that which type of file this is. And the opening tag of the web page is HTML. This is actually a wrapper, not a section. This is what? This is actually retail wrapper. The actual sections are the head section, body section, and others inside the head section we use the title section, which we can define a title of the web page that will be browsed in the tab of the browser. It will be displayed there that which page you navigated to. So the actual section is what? The head section. Okay, inside the head section we can use different things like meta tags, the different references of the file, script references, style sheet references, which is CSS. In the at the near future we will study the CSS also, that why we use the CSS with Bootstrap and other designing tools for decorating our web page. So here we can use the meta tags, titles, references, style sheets, like those things we can use here. For now we use the title section. This is the opening and closing tag of the title, HTML first web page. Okay, then we use the body. So in the body section, let me first declare it. This is the closing tag of the body. Okay, this is the main section where all the actions take place. Like we can use text, we can use headings, paragraphs, images, videos, different types of graphics and text in the section. This is the main section. All actions takes place here. Like how? Let us use different tags here, like paragraph, headings, and everything we can use here. In the future we will see how we could attach a video, how we attach the other graphics like images, files, everything. For now, let us use a simple tags like suppose h1 opening and closing tag. It means headings. HTML tutorial. Okay, now we use paragraph. Okay, and this also have the opening and closing tag. This tutorial is for absolute beginners of HTML. Okay, language. This is actually hyper text markup language. Sorry, this is actually what? Markup language, which is used for structuring our web page. How we could structure the web page. Now we can use the heading 2. CSS lectures. Here also we can use a paragraph. Okay, let us write next 3 weeks we will upload CSS tutorial. This is a simple web page. We have structure, declare the file type, then we included a wrapper. It's HTML, and we used different sections like head section, body section. In head section we references the external files of scripts, style sheets, and bootstrap files, everything. And we can use meta tags, titles in head section, and body section where all action takes places. So for now, this is the simple web page. Let us file, save as, save this in desktop. Okay, write the name first web page dot HTML. This is extension. In the previous videos of my different tutorials, we have mentioned that like in office package tutorial, different programs has the different extensions like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint has different extension. So the extensions are used to differentiate the different files. Okay, then click save. Now let us see in desktop. This is what our first web page we created with the help of notepad, and double click it. This is the first HTML web page we have structured. We have designed it with the help of HTML. This is h1 tag, a little bigger, smaller text of paragraph, h2 bigger, then it's paragraph. This is how HTML works and how we can proceed with the future structuring of the different pages.